Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here, and I just want to show everyone our website for Ablewaytech, and we have a blog here with lots of great articles from Phil Wu, Dr. Ken Long, and myself. We have things like the lessons learned from doing the Kata challenge that I wrote. We have lots of psychology lessons. We have trading tips, things like finding intraday trading targets, and lots of useful applications in the ThinkorSwim platform. Here's our most recent article, and it's some feedback from our last cohort of our Applied Systems Development course that we just wrapped up. These guys are the real deal, no doubt. Best course out there without the BS and fluff. Save your money on the majority of garbage that talks about nonsense and start to practice money management on an ongoing system. Plus, they're very helpful to a newbie like I am. This is a complete positive expectancy system. It will teach you what professional trading looks like and also teach you the framework for evaluating, filtering, and creating new trading systems in the future. I highly recommend it for anyone who is willing to do the work. So we'll be starting our next cohort of our Applied Systems Development course on July 11th. Enrollment is open now, and we hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.